Good day, everyone. Welcome, grade 7 students, for our second quarter, week 3. And for this week, we are going to tackle about features of a website. But first, I will ask you, have you seen a website before? If none, let's define first what is a website. So definitely, a website refers to a collection of web pages usually grouped and connected together in a number of different ways. So as you can see in this photo, this is the example of a website or a home page. As you can see, there's a lot of parts. So later I will explain to you all the parts of a website. But now, website is also written as website or simply a site. So, what are the parts of a website? The first one is the first uh, parts of a website is homepage. This is the example of a homepage or a website. Homepage, it is the opening page which does the job of welcoming the website visitors. So the next is sliders. So this is the example again of a website. So what is a sliders? So it is a wrapper to the changing content area that presents slides of visual information including large images, text, announcements, updates, and promotions. So as you can see in this photo, there is a big picture or there is a big picture and there is a text. So where do you think is the slider located? So here is the slider. As you can see, there is a big photo and there is a text written on it. Next, we have header. So header, it is a content area at the top of the website which bears the logo as well as the navigation menu. So where do you think is header? It says here it has logo, or it is also located the navigation menu. So it also includes the taglines, addresses or address, contact numbers, or button used to sign up and log in. So where do you think is the header located? So it is here. As you can see, there is a logo and the navigation menu here, and there is also tagline and then contact numbers. Alright, so let's move on to another part of a website, navigation menu. So what is navigation menu? It is a part of header which bears the links that take or direct visitors to other parts of the website. So it is also located in the header or on the header. So it is located where it is located also in header, and it sometimes called tabs, links, or pages. And some websites use a second navigation menu in cases where a lot of navigation is needed and at the most important link should be highlighted. The navigation menu located in here. Alright, as you can see, there is a navigation menu or the links or tabs. So let's move on to another part of a website. Sidebar. What is sidebar? It is the area of the website which display information that is not part of the page main content, like a call to action or links to recent blog posts or social media accounts. So where do you think is the sidebar located? Wherein it is located the social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, um, Pinterest, or YouTube, and etc. It is located in here. As you can see, there is a logo of Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Twitter, and so on. Now let's move on to another parts of a web. Let's have call to action. It is considered one of the most essential parts of a website, as it encourages visitors to take action by guiding them on what they really want them to do. So remember, call to action is the most essential or important part of a website. So where do you think a call to action located? Yeah, it is in here, wherein you can see the content. Alright, let's move on to another. Last but not the least parts of a website is we have footer. So it refers to the content area at the bottom of every pages that consist a website. So simply it is located in here, wherein as you can see it is located at the bottom of a website. So before we proceed to the features that make a website navigate easily, let's enumerate first all the parts of a website. We have homepage, header, uh, navigation menu, sidebar, sliders, call to action, and lastly, footer. So now let's move on to the features that make a website navigate easily. We have first, be easy to navigate. Next, be easy to read. Next, present relevant up-to-date content. And use relevant design such as themes, colors, and visuals. Next, we have to include a well-presented call to action or CTA. Next, it manifests credibility, and be clear, simple, and be viewed comfortably. And lastly, be mobile friendly. Did you get it, class? So I prepared a practice for you to engage our lesson for this week. So it says identify the parts of a website. So I have here the picture, and all you have to do is guess the pointing parts of a website. Okay, now we have, what do you think is this part of a website? Is this area? It is correct. It is a header, wherein as you can see there is a logo and the navigation menu. So next, what is this? So simply as what I've said, it is navigation menu, wherein it is also located uh, in header. Next, what do you think is this? This is correct. This is sidebar, wherein it is located all the social media accounts such as you can see there is a Facebook logo, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on. Next, we have at the bottom, what is this part of a website? This is very good. This is footer. Next, we have, as you can see, there is a large photo and the text on it. It is very good. Sliders. Lastly, we have what you call that. It is the most essential parts of a website. Correct. This is call to action. Now, I also prepare another practice for you to know um, how to, the features that a website navigate easily. So all you have to do is examine the items presented below and then decide which among the listed features help in navigating a website properly and easily. So, the first one is what you think. Correct. It is the good design. We have credible. Correct. Next, we have easy to navigate. Next, easy to read. Next, we only have two remaining features that help in navigating a website properly and easily. These are relevant content and lastly, mobility. Alright, now class, I think you and I hope and I think you gain knowledge about our topic, which is the features of a website. So, see you next time. Thank you for listening.